You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani, Cooking with Jack show. 3 ingredient brownies. That's why you hit play, because you don't want to do 4. You just do 3. So let me show you exactly what this entails. So I'm looking at these bananas in the fridge and I'm thinking, they're green. They're green. Now they're going bad green. They went from unripe to rotten. So we're going to use them in this recipe before they go rotten, because they're still good. You can feel they're ripe, but I think it's kind of strange. Their skins stayed green and they started darkening. But once again, they're perfect. They're super soft. They should be great for this recipe. So grab 3 bananas, all right? Grab your favorite peanut butter, whatever that is, and grab cocoa powder, all right? You're going to mix this. It's super, I'll have it down below, but it's 3 bananas, half a cup of this, half a cup of that. Let's do it. So we got our bananas in the bowl, peanut butter, cocoa. Let's mash these first. Then we'll add everything into it. Put our cocoa powder in. Now, just to let you know, a few seconds in the microwave made it a little bit easier to pour out. You don't have to, but we recommend it for convenience. All right, guys. So we have a spray pan. So now let's put this in there. All right, guys, got the batter in here, got it all spread out. You can use parchment paper, spray, butter, or flour. Anything to keep it from sticking. We sprayed ours. So anyway, 20 to 30 minutes on 350, and keep it on it. Use a toothpick and pull it out when you think it's done. Okay, guys, so we just pulled it out of the oven. We went for approximately 25 minutes. They said 20 to 30, right in the middle, okay? So now we're going to cut this up, and then we'll give it a try. Yeah. All right, guys, honestly, we just cut these super soft, super gooey, just the way you like it. So let's have Tammy come over and try one of them. See if it is close to a brownie. I know the ingredients are going to be good. I just don't know if it'll taste like a brownie or not. Feels good, huh?
It feels soft.
Yep. Nice and gooey.
Got the same texture of the brownie.
Does it hit that sweet spot? The sweet?
No, because I don't like cocoa. It's like when you taste the peanut butter, it's good.
She don't like cocoa. I just knew that 2 seconds ago.
But
I just found that out.
It tastes good, but cocoa just doesn't have like that chocolatey taste.
So you recommend maybe they put a little sweetener?
Something, yeah. Put a sweetener in there or something.
A little bit of sweetener in there.
Yep.
Maybe pieces of fruit might work.
I don't know.
Might sweeten it up. But texture-wise?
Texture feels like a brownie.
Okay.
It's more like a brownie.
So would you grade the recipe as?
It's a hit. If you like cocoa, you'll love it because that's what you taste.
How can you go wrong with bananas and peanut butter?
All right, that's good. Well,
yeah,
cocoa, but
exactly. So we're gonna deem this a success.
Yeah, because people like it. It didn't fail in any means. It's soft, moist.
I guarantee you probably got all the ingredients. Have fun. Let us know how it is. Bye-bye.
Bye.